Hey y'all, I look a little crazy right now. Part 2 to the video, guys. Yeah, so I'm about to get ready to go to the tour. You guys already saw the video. If you haven't seen the video, make sure you guys go and check that video out. Like, subscribe, and of course follow me. If you're not following me here, make sure you follow me on socials at Damn Those TikTokos. But anyway, let's get into this video. You guys saw this hat in the previous video. I just want to make sure that I have the right hairstyle in order to do that. In the video, you saw that I had the ponytail. The ponytail is the perfect hairstyle to wear with the cowboy hat, and I can take it off and still look cute. So that was really like something that stood out for me. So I said, you know what, let me just go ahead and continue that for today. I already pre-blow dry my hair. There's enough videos of women out there showing you how to blow dry your hair or doing like blow drying, so why do I need to waste our time? I'm gonna do like a little bang, but instead of like having it out because it's so poofy, I'm just going to twist it. I will say this, I am not like that big of a Beyonce fan to where every time she has something I have to get it out. I even realized like I was gonna do tickets because they were super expensive. I'm not gonna, I like Beyonce. It's just, I have 3 children, okay? I don't know, I don't want to miss bills. I'm gonna see how these twists come out like, because when I tell y'all, I am just experimenting and seeing if this is gonna come out cute. I always tell people like, trust the process. I need to trust my own process. Like I always say that, trust your process. So a lot of you probably are wondering like, why would you come back on YouTube like after so long? Because I've had this channel for a while. And the reason why I decided to come back, because it's therapeutic. It's therapeutic to have a relatable audience, someone who is going through the same things as you, or, you know, the topics that you're thinking about, or things that are in your head as a parent, mom, wife, you know, just a human being. And I don't know, I feel like I'm pretty blunt in the things that I say, you know, and you guys will learn more about me. I can relate to more people than I felt, you know. It's therapeutic for me too, just as much as it is for people to watch, you know, others on YouTube. So there's that for me. And also because I'm on social media already, I feel like why not showcase a different version, or not even a different version, but a long form that people don't usually see on my Instagram or TikTok or something like that. Because they're all short form videos, you know. You don't get to actually have a full on get ready with me. You have to cut them out. And I mean, obviously we do a little editing here, but still. It's like I can have a real conversation. You guys can hit me in the comments and be like, girl, oh my God, I felt that way too. Like this morning, I called my husband as our toilet was running. I was like, oh my God, I am trying to film content. And for some reason, this toilet, like we can no longer like, you know, finesse this toilet handle. Like it needs to be fixed. So funny because as soon as I called him, like the toilet stopped running. Like once it stopped, I'm like, oh wow, okay, well it stopped. He's like, that is so funny. Just like little stuff like that, like as a content creator. So I think this is coming out cute. I'm going to probably like bobby pin it. So I chose Thursday because I felt like it would be the less busiest. It's the most convenient because I have a panel this Saturday for the short film that I'm in. It's called Take 290. I might put the trailer on here, so that'll be fun. Not ugly at all. We have to do something like that, because I'm going to stick that there. Because we want to make sure that it's secure. I think we look cute. I think this hairstyle is perfect for tonight. I'm just gonna touch it up with, of course, some hairspray, but I think this is the hairstyle. I think we accomplished that of what I wanted to do. I wanted something very messy. I wanted something very easy, low maintenance, but also that worked with the outfit. So let's go ahead and talk.